first one is, do you know about culture shock, and can you explain me the four stage of culture shock?
When I first came here, everything is so fresh for me, and I was attracted to everything around me. After a few months, I started to feel something not good as I expected before. The noisy from the motorcycle and especially the public traffic system is not as good as in China, so it brought a lot of inconvenience to me. After I lived in Indonesia for like 3 months, I started to feel a little homesick. Sometimes I really want to go back to China. A few months later, I think it's my choice to come here. It's a good thing to experience a different life when we are still young. So I think the homesick or the other problems may not bother me anymore. I should get through everything. I started to think things at the bright side. So now I found my life here is not that bad if I can accept it. The first one must be Bali and Thousand Island and maybe fried rice.
Is this really famous there, the Bali and Thousand Island?
Yeah, sure. Everyone in China knows Bali. My friend here, their parents or their grandparents all came from China, so they really like China. They think China has a lot of good things like the food, the scenery. A lot of people they really like asking people questions like, are you married? How much do you get paid every month? I think it's very personal question,
yeah.
so I found that very annoying.
Considerate.
I think the positive things, people here are really nice and friendly. Negative thing, I think maybe the traffic is not very convenient.
Yeah, I get that.
No,